Hello, welcome to Eva. This is Rachel and I'll be walking you through all the steps that you need to take for bulk upload. We especially recommend it for those stores who have high number of SKUs as it is easier than editing every SKU individually. Let's get started. After signing in your Eva account, first go to the pricing management page on Eva control panel. When you open the page, on the upper right side, you will see 3 buttons regarding templates. Go and click on Download Template, and it will be downloaded on your computer. Open the file. The file is arranged for you to simplify your workload. There are titled columns. SKU, ASIN, and fulfillment channel columns are automatically filled in. We extract this data from Amazon to simplify the bulk upload process for you. We will start with pricing-related sections. If you want to fill in your min and max prices manually, go and fill in the related line. For example, let's assume that I want my product to be sold at lowest $5. So I'll just put 5 in the related line here. And I can determine a max price, but please note that it is not compulsory. Or you can leave max price column empty and Eva will calculate it for you to avoid possible high pricing errors. But in this case, for example, for this product, I decide that my max price is $20. So I'm just gonna write it here. And then go to the enable pricing column and put Y for the SKUs that you want to enable repricing, so that Eva will be adjusting the price of the SKU between the range of min and max prices. So between $5 and $20 in our case here. If you want to calculate your min price according to the determined ROI or margin, you shouldn't enter any min price. Otherwise, Eva will take the min price according to the manual entry. However, if you want to calculate your min price based on ROI or margin, you have to enter your product cost. To do so, go to the related column and fill it in for that SKU. Then you need to choose whether you want your price to be calculated based on margin or ROI. If you prefer margin, put an M in the Enable ROI or margin column. If you prefer ROI, put an R there. According to your preference, you should also fill in ROI or margin percentage in the related column. Let's make it R in our case. So I'll just go to ROI column and put the percentage of ROI that I want to be applied to the specific SKU. Let's assume that percentage of our ROI is 25. So I'll simply put it here. If you want to calculate the min price based on margin, I'll put M in the Enable ROI or margin column, and I'll put the percentage of margin in the related column again. So I'll just put 25 for this SKU here. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next tutorial videos.